All right, how is everybody doing today? Who said it was going to rain? I still don't believe the weatherman. Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Josh Gellers, and I am the co-founder of Digimetric, a game-changing platform for hiring technical talent. So here's the problem. Hiring is hard. Hiring the best talent is even harder. So imagine for a moment John. John is an HR professional who's looking to hire a wireless communication engineer. You know what this process normally looks like. He's got to create job postings, he's got to post onto the internet, he has to wait for resumes to come back, he's then got to schedule interviews with people. He may not know what differentiates one candidate from another, but he's still got to try and find out who's the best person for the job. I am here to propose to you that this process is broken for two reasons. First, because individuals who are subject to a filtering software wind up not being able to be included in the hiring process. Say you've been run out of a job because of the Great Recession, or perhaps because you have the wrong school listed on your resume, or maybe your GPA is too low. But the point is, these are people who might still be able to do the actual job, and that's ultimately what companies want. The second reason, of course, is that individuals who are HR managers, recruiters, on average, spend just over 6 seconds per resume looking at someone to decide whether or not that person can actually do the job. That is far too little time to understand if someone is the right fit for the job. So what we realize from this problem is that there's an opportunity to revolutionize talent acquisition in a way that reduces both time and money. Enter Digimetric, our company, which is an affordable, cloud-based platform for identifying and recruiting top-tier technical talent. With Digimetric, companies can reduce the time that it takes to hire by as much as 75%, and they can reduce the cost that it costs to find the right talent by 55%. Here's how it works. A company establishes a role on our web-based platform. They then upload the resumes from their job posting by dragging and dropping just like you would in Gmail, and then an automatic email gets sent to every single one of the job applicants to take the tests that the company wants them to take. The results are then presented in what we're calling a talent analytics dashboard, which presents results of the tests in real time to employers. Compared to the market, we've got some really innovative things going on that showcase how we are different, and what we're doing is going to add value for companies that are struggling to hire top talent. We have an adaptive testing algorithm, which is kind of like the GMAT, for those of you who know about standardized testing, in that the test actually gets more difficult as you perform well on it. Second, in the telecommunications space, we're basically the only actor. There is no one else in the marketplace right now that offers the same sophisticated kinds of tests that we do for wireless communications and telecom as well. And then finally, another industry-leading thing that we have going on is our talent pool. So you get hundreds or thousands of resumes from people all across the world. What we're doing is aggregating those. People take the tests, and then companies can go searching through the talent pool and find the top 1%, the top 5%, the top 10% of all candidates who have taken those tests, and they don't have to worry about hiring anymore. They can just go straight to the talent pool. Our customer acquisition platform is based on a three-prong approach. We're going to use LinkedIn advertisements. We've been doing content advertisement or content marketing on our blog on digimetric.com, and we're reaching out directly to the human resources field and their preferred publications. So what are we doing here at OneSpark? We need money, obviously, so we're trying to ramp up our efforts in sales and marketing, get $300,000 so that we can really make a splash in the marketplace and demonstrate our value to our potential users. Also, quick update. In the OneSpark Venture Vault competition, out of 550 startups, we made the top 9. We've been around for less than a year, and people are already realizing the value, the promise of what we can bring to the table. So, in closing, please vote for Digimetric number 21792. We're on Twitter @Digimetric, and we're on the web, digimetric.com. Again, Twitter @Digimetric. Our website is digimetric.com. Thanks, and hire smarter.